Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm. This is a quick video on a flat piece of glass that we have in our studio where I'm going to show you an architectural film and an automotive film. This one has a pressure sensitive adhesive. This one has a dry adhesive. I'm just going to install them and show you they simply install the same. I've taken regular water, I put some dish soap in here, and I've actually mixed it probably too strong for the dry adhesive. It's unnecessary to put that much soap in there, but it's perfectly mixed for the pressure sensitive adhesive, which is going to be sticky and more aggressive and would need more surfactant or soap to slow down the bonding process so that we can get it on a car after we shrink it and push the water out and things like that where we need it to stick. So I'm just going to spray the glass real quick. Not too crazy here. I'm going to peel the liner off the film like this. So this is real sticky adhesive, and I'm just going to lay it on the ground here. I like to install pressure sensitive adhesive, especially with too wet surfaces. Okay, and then I like to wet the outside. Then I want to take my squeegee here, and I see this is this is why they call this pressure sensitive. When you put pressure on this and you get all the water out, then you get that tack, that bond. That's what you need on say an automotive glass where you are about to roll a window up and down. You need that film not to move, and you need it to start to begin to be in the position it needs to be in for further bonding. See, this is what you want in the pressure sensitive type adhesive. Flat glass film's a different animal. I don't know, it's just a habit of me to try to squeegee. I probably didn't need to do that, but I'm talking and tinting at the same time. So I'm going to install the dry adhesive. So again, when you peel this off, it's real easy to get off. And there's no stickiness whatsoever at all. There's nothing sticky about it. It has a top coat on it that's actually making it not sticky. So I'm going to wet it, just like I did the other film, wet the glass. And I need 3 hands actually, dropping everything. And so I'm going to, whoa, see how that's not trying to bond? But I can still, now there's way too much soap in this for this film, but it'll be okay. It's just an aggravation to try to install something with too much soap sometimes. There's different ways you can squeegee this. But anyway, you'll get it just to initially tack a little bit, but it's not really sticking. It's just not moving. It's got the brakes on it. It's a pretty cool technology that is trying to do what we want it to do, but it's still not sticking at all. But there's a top coat that's got to dissolve. There's a chemical bonding process that chemically bonds over time. This will tack faster. This takes longer, and you really need to squeegee all the water out of these films, or you'll have a curing period that's not going to be very aesthetically pleasing. Customers will call, you'll get water blisters and things like that. But these are the 2 films. They can both easily be installed. One has pressure sensitive, one has dry adhesive.